How to determine the size of my vertical boat lift? First off, you look at the winch arm on the front for the 1x5 sticker, which will tell you the capacity and the model number. If you cannot find that, the first thing to look at is the cross tubes. On 1100 vertical lift, we'll have a 2" by 2.5" beam, and it will also have a gear winch, which is a brown colored winch. The 1600 has a 2" by 4" beam that is 96.5 inches long. It also has a brown colored winch, the D&L Dunton Lanson winch. A 2600 has a 2" by 4" tube, which is 106.5 inches. It has a chain-driven winch, the gear winch. A 3800 vertical lift has a 2" by 5" beam that is 115.5 inches. It has a chain-driven winch, the gear winch. A 4600 looks really similar to a 38. It is a 2" by 5" tube, but on that 5" tube on the outside, you will see a reinforcement flat that is welded on. Is one of the easiest ways to identify that. The 56 and 66 vertical lifts have a 3 3/4 by 7.5 inch beam, the back beam that the boat sits on. They're really similar to each other. The cables are pretty much the same. The easiest identification between the two is that the cable that is on the winch is 3/8.